Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon and today we're going to be opening yet another box for Battles of Legend Monster Mayhem for Yu-Gi-Oh! Still, after this one more left to go. And then I think I still have 2 boxes for Justice Hunters in English. I need to double check. You will know because you will probably see the videos in like 2 weeks. So without any further ado, let's see what we get here. We get a Gem Knight Dispersion, which, like I said last time, looks cool, but holds no monetary value. Which makes us very sad. Next pack, we have a No Punk Se Amin and a Masterpiece, the True Draco Slaying King. There was one of the No Punks which was quite okay money-wise, but I don't recall which one. Was it Foxy Tune? I don't think so. Maybe it was. Here's Foxy Tune. And then there's also Avance Swordsman of the Necros, who we don't care about. On to the next pack. Let's see what we get. A Gem Chamber Dragon Maid and a Burner Dragon Ruler of Sparks. Well. On to the next one. With a Lightning Dragon Ruler of Drafts. Which isn't very exciting. Next one, we have a Galaxy Journey. And then a Stream, Dragon Ruler of Droplets. On to the next one. A No Punk Ogre Dance and a Reactan Dragon Ruler of Pebbles. Next pack. Lots of Churak. We have a Gem Knight Fusion. No Chibi so far. What's going on there? We have a Necros of Metaltron, which looks really fabulous. And on to the next one, where we have a Choruri Punk Madam Spider and an Emilia Dance Priestess of the Necros. On to the other side. We get a Primite Drill Beam. One's also been reprinted quite often now, so Ravalo. A True Draco Heritage. On to the next one. With a Necros of Ariad Hair. next one, a Necros of Sophia. On to the next one, with a Gem Knight Lady Brilliant Diamond. A Dark Paladin, there's first GB, looking rather silly. A No Punk Rising Scale, and our next GB, a Skull Servant. On to the next one, with a Stardust Zephyr Divine Dragon. 5 packs left. And we have a Primate Dragon Ether Barrel. 4th to last pack now. With a Jurak Astero. 3rd to last pack. And we get a Lip, the World Key Blade Master. 2nd to last pack. Let's see what we get. And Absorb Fusion is what we get. And down to the last pack. What will it hold? We have a Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon in GB. And that's it for this box. So, as always, thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing. And I shall be seeing you at the next one.